Before I go, I'm on E. That is not a game. I'm on E waiting at the light. To go ride. It would have been a dual vlog, but I got tired like halfway through the night, and I decided that like, oh man, what up, family? How y'all doing? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. I'm just sitting here cooking breakfast for tea, getting everybody right in the morning. I thought I would start this video with telling you that this trip to Hoover Dam was amazing. Me and my wife really enjoyed ourselves. Really had a great time. Just going to another state and just riding, because it's been so long since the last time we took a trip. So I just want to warn you before this video plays that there'll be a lot of music, there'll be a lot of things going on there, be some highway traveling. I just want y'all to hit that like button and slap that subscribe button, and also in the comment section if you want to see more dual vlogs between me and my wife. Let me know, because you know our scheduling is starting to like fine-tune itself, so we have some opportunities where we can ride together and make dual vlogs. I've set up a camera and a microphone for her to talk, so let me know if y'all want to, you know, see that. We'll go to different restaurants, or we'll travel around Las Vegas, what I'm doing already. So alright, thank you for watching. Huh? Yeah, okay. Okay. Or you got somewhere else?
We went to Town Square. I think their garage should be up there.
Okay. Alright, I'll follow you. Okay. Look at them blowing all that trash on my dang on bike. Okay. Okay. Lock, take, and hide. That's their sign. Are we still recording? Didn't even realize it. Alright, that's right. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Okay, what am I missing? I put the phone in the pocket. Dang, I'm quick. I put the phone in the pocket, plus locked it. I don't know if y'all can hear me because this guy going crazy beside me with the key. Cool. Whew. So 5 o'clock in the morning, that's what they doing. I wonder, can you sleep here? I didn't think that. The taxi driver just went through here and I was like, why did he go this way? It's like still the same street. It's like nothing special, and you can't switch over. It's not like switch over. Ooh. Whew. I gotta get a new shield, little face mask for this, man. You know what how much money they want for a new shield for this? $50. I ain't paying $50 for this. Oh, okay. I ain't paying $50 for this. Stay drunk. You paying $50 for a new visor? Not me. Who? Should be like a new shield. Should be like $50. This one I got, man. I done had this so long that it's like hella scratched up. I don't know how that happened. For me, just breathing on it. The breath cut it like knives, boy. You gotta brush your teeth in the morning. That's ridiculous. No, but seriously, it's scratched up. I don't know if I dropped it at one point or what it was. Probably do need a new battery now that I think about it. Cause they offered me, no, they gave me, when I bought this bike, they gave me a safety kit and a freaking trickle charger, which I ain't never in my life got a trickle charger from anybody after buying the bike. So this is Town Center Square. Basically the mall. I would say it's kind of like Atlantic Station in Atlanta, but it's not at the same time. It's like it's just a town square, basically. You know, you take pictures here. Ignorant. So we looking for the top floor. Top floor. Yeah, the malls here are just as you think, big like Vegas, bro. Everything in Vegas is huge, bro. And then when you get away from the strip, that's when you realize that we're in the desert. Tight corners, come on. That's exactly why I have been working on turning. This wasn't that bad though. My wife bike sound like a jet. She gonna ask me, do you think we were quiet? I know it. No, we was not quiet. Your bike sounds like a NASCAR jet taking off. A NASCAR jet. That's crazy. Hey, do y'all know that they changed the NASCAR? They put new cars in. That's crazy that they working on that. I never thought I would see like actual cars in NASCAR, not just weird race cars. We should have just went to my place. This place doesn't have a lot of sun, a lot of areas. They already covered by buildings everywhere. Why this place? I don't know. I wonder has he ever been up here? I've never been up here myself. Is that security? What did they say? Kimberly Horn? Reserve parking, Suite D75? Yeah, it's alright.
Already coming here, gonna make it to your location.
Yeah.
It's another parking garage, but I can't remember exactly where it's at.
Oh.
So this business complex.
Oh. Well, we already here now, shouting. It's alright. Yeah, the building's killed it. So we pulled over, and this is pretty much what we got. You cold, T?
Not too much. Just my hands a little.
Oh. Your glasses all fogged up. All extra foggy. So your visor can have a pin lock and it be fog free, but your glasses is not.
Contact.
My wife had it in her mind that we're gonna go do a state line today, so we're gonna go to Arizona state line from here. But first, I gotta get some gas because I only got half a tank. One thing I realized about riding this bike is when you ride like a hooligan, this thing gonna drink gas like a hooligan. It's definitely not the bike for all that stuff. Whew. All right, gang. Just got the they from Washington. Just got the gas, that love juice that keep this thing going. You know, one thing I hate about this bike is I'm turning it on here. There we go. I gotta do that. Is the gas thing don't work until after I pull off. Chilling with the homies. We. So recently I had came to the gas station not too long ago, and I had filled it up. I was like, yeah, I actually like over-filled it. And it didn't register or read the gas that I put in there. Boy, I was hot. I was like, really? Chilling with the old man. Oh, that was a big old truck turn. But it didn't register until I like started riding a little bit, and then the tank was like, oh, okay, yeah, you got a full tank. Well, like I said, like riding this thing like a hooligan, and you freaking it drink gas like a hooligan. Like this bad boy be like, oh, okay, you want to hit that throttle, here you go. I don't know what sustained speed. You know, I gotta talk to the OGs like I gotta talk to all the people that really be out here riding, doing them long distance travel to see what kind of speed they doing, because I know they ain't riding how I'm riding. I ride like I'm on the like I'm on the FZ. The FZ don't mind. I can ride like a hooligan on the FZ and still have good gas mileage. And I think it got something to do with the way I switch gears too, because I switch gears high in the high range instead of like low. Somebody told me when you ride in the higher gear you save gas. You know, I don't know if that's true, and I'm not here to debate that. I don't know. I'm not willing to go do research on that. Oh, I didn't know we going to Starbucks first. I thought we was going to the. Oh, we are. Okay. I'm like, what? We going to Starbucks first? Our plan is to get breakfast at Starbucks today, so. I promise I never fall in love with a stranger.